Sound Ideas was a dream that started out in the mind of Brian Nimmons. He wanted to create sound effects, capturing unique sounds from around the world. And in 1978, he turned that dream into reality. Over the last 40 years, he's built the company into the world's largest publisher of sound effects. You name it, Sound Ideas has recorded it. In the beginning, Sound Ideas started off small. They operated out of a tiny basement on Church Street in downtown Toronto, using a 4-track recording studio to develop their first library on reel-to-reel tape. From there, Sound Ideas and a growing staff moved into a larger Victorian-style home. The company grew like a family there for the next 10 years. In the mid-1980s, the compact disc, or CD, was just coming of age, and the entire sound industry was about to change.
It came of age in about 1985, and that's actually when the company got a break, was able to put their sound effects on compact disc, and we were the first by about a year and a half to be out in the industry, the professional industry, selling our product.
The team was on a mission to find the most unique sounds to add to their growing collection, chasing sounds around the planet to some very exclusive places.
Well, by far the most exciting and unusual was the recording on the SS Saratoga. We got permission from the Pentagon. It took me about a year and a half of pursuing, but we spent 3 days and 2 nights on an aircraft carrier recording all different aspects, from engine room to catapulting the F-14s and F-18s off the deck.
They were also able to get up close and personal at SeaWorld and shoot rounds of ammo off in the Nevada desert. Sound Ideas continued to grow. They were in demand and needed a state-of-the-art recording studio. So, they moved north of the city to Richmond Hill. The grand opening of the new office was held in 1989, and today, this is still home base for the team as they create magic in the studio. Over the next few years, Sound Ideas began co-ventures with various film companies, including Lucasfilm, Warner Brothers, Turner Entertainment, 20th Century Fox, and of course, this guy.
Hello, sound lovers. It's your old pal, Fred Flintstone, here to introduce you to the Hanna-Barbera Sound Effects Library, distributed exclusively by Sound Ideas.
The team has spent thousands of hours recording.
Okay, smash them up again.
Trying things again and again and again.
Kabang! Good one.
There's a lot of trial and error. We're constantly smashing, bashing, trying to find the right sound.
Eventually taking the sound back to the studio to enhance it. And the guys have always managed to have some fun in the process. All of this time spent in the field recording meant their next library was going to be huge. The Series 6000, the General Sound Effects Library, was launched in 1992 and has been an all-time bestseller for the company. Technology was changing the industry, and so they adapted, allowing users access to any sound or piece of music just through the click of a button. Sound Ideas was out in front of the competition in 2011, releasing the General HD library. In the start of 2015, Sound Ideas completed its biggest acquisition to date, the Hollywood Edge Collection. It had more than 60 individual sound libraries and over 70,000 sounds, officially making Brian Nimmons the godfather of sound effects. And now, in 2018, Sound Ideas continues to lead the industry, searching on land, in the sky, or just around the corner for the best sounds across the planet. And making lots of new friends along the way. 40 years in the making, and Sound Ideas is stronger than ever.